Thinking about getting into floor sanding? Or maybe you already run a trade business and want to add something new? Our introduction to floor sanding workshop is the best way to get started. It's just one day, on Monday, 20th October, down in Chandler's Ford, Southampton. You'll get to try out the Lagler sanding machines, the proper industry standard kit, and our team will walk you through everything step by step. We're a friendly, family-run business, and we've helped loads of people kickstart floor sanding from scratch. By the end of the day, you'll know exactly how it all works, get hands-on practice, and see if it's the right move for your business. If you're serious about growing what you do, this is a no-brainer. Call us to book your spot and come see what it's all about.